So it all started, guys, is nung binigyan niya ako ng hair tie nung binigyan niya to sa akin nung wait lang, guys. Mega ship, kapit pa rin, guys, talaga. When did the kapit easing started? Kailan nga ba? Guys, ano, to be completely honest right now, I'm not, di ko alam. What can you say about Princess being a pilot? Guys, that's really great for, if ever she becomes one, bro, I'm like gonna be so proud of her. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, that's like one of her dreams talaga. Wait lang, guys. Hindi ko mabasa, ang daming comments. Seriously, okay. Sorry Chika about cartoon. Guys, yung cartoon sobrang unexpected talaga. Sobrang unexpected ng ship na yun. Kasi I think the only time they had like a sweet moment was nung sa multo. Ay, hinahabol kami ng clown. Guys, make sure, guys, follow my IG, guys. Fred Moser, guys. Come on, guys. Support my IG, guys. I just posted a recent review. Tataw ka mag-Bicol iyo po. 10. I can't sing yet. Yes, guys, my eyes are brown. Yo, Javi, bro, thank you for the ice cream. 6 ice cream, 7. Naging conversation nila. Mahihain kasi sila, guys, parehas, like not very sila masyadong showy, like sa actions nila. Pero ewan ko lang yung ano sabi mo sa Kriston. Ayun din, guys, yung Kriston talaga. Support ako dun, guys. Kasi nakita ko rin pag nag-usap sila like sa house, I think I see their chemistry, like future talaga. It'll be good. Ano sabi mo, natalo sila? Yun nga, guys, sinanood ako kagabi ba? Isang gabi na natalo sila. So sad. Pero kaya yan, guys. Kapit, let's go, Kapit, guys. Mega ship, Kapit pa rin, guys, talaga. When did the Kapit easing started? Kailan nga ba? Guys, ano, to be completely honest right now, I'm not, di ko alam. What can you say about Princess being a pilot? Guys, that's really great for, if ever she becomes one, bro, I'm like gonna be so proud of her. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, that's like one of her dreams talaga. And I'll support her totally in that. And that's like, wow. Can you play a song that reminds you of Princess? Hold up. Guys, pakinggan niyo. What's up, guys? Guys, I don't know where Rave is though. Yo, Rave, where you at, Rave? Where you going? I think Rave's at the gym right now. Wow, grabe si Pon. Habat lalanan to. Eli ko din ba? Sorry na sa mga fans na Eli ko, pero hindi masyado. Kinda like Liz Girl talaga. What's your Discord? Donating her hair before, yeah. She told me that dun sa bahay, she wants to donate her hair nga ulit because it's getting really long na daw. And guys, that's so kind. Grabe. Grabe yung puso niya. Mapagmahal talaga. Wait na guys, hindi ko makita. Are starting to attend school again. Have you watched Stranger Things? Guys, not yet. Hold up. Thank you for the gift, man. Nasaan na? How about Inigo and Lala? What do you mean, guys? What do you mean by them? Play so sick. Bro, I don't know that, guys. What's they play ML? Yes. He speaks Swiss. Nope, I can't. How old are you, Fred? I'm 18. Tingin mo he crushed the Heath Cup. Guys, di ko talaga alam. Like, genuinely, I don't know if Heath likes her, cause like, he doesn't tell me anything. Like, I'm his big bro. He should tell me that. Diba? Anong chores lagi mo ginagawa? I mean, guys, I mop the floor. I clean the boys' bedroom from time to time. And I wash dishes in the morning. Kasi, like, every night, may natitira talagang dishes for, like, till the morning. So, may chemistry po ba this girl? Yes, guys, of course. Kwento ng hair tie. Okay, ito. Simulan ko. So, it all started, guys, is nung binigyan niya ako ng hair tie nung... Binigyan niya ito sa akin nung... wait lang, guys. Tawag doon. Nagsimula siya nung ano. She gave me her hair tie nung punishment week namin. I think it was our first day sa... no, it was our second day. It was the second day. Oh yeah. Nagtipon-tipon kami dun sa living room and Kuya was announcing everything that it was gonna be a long day for us, like the whole day talaga. And after namin magtipon-tipon, guys, she went up to me and suddenly reached for my hand and suddenly my hair tie. Then she hugged me and said, "Good luck. I'm gonna do great daw sa task." And I did. I scooped up 12 ping pong balls, passed it to the other side. But what else? Actually, yo guys, mag 1M likes, crazy. Guys, thank you so much. Tanter, guys, si Kuya Tan tsaka si Ate Heather, guys. Spam nyo nga yan. Can you guys spam Tanter? Tanter. What is your height? I'm like 6'3", 6'2 and a half. Wait, one ganda. Smiling Angels. Yo, what's up, guys? Sam Jane Karaoke ngayon. I don't know, guys. Tanter. Hey, 1M. Yo, guys, happy 1 million, guys. Thank you so much. Favorite UAP team? Guys, come on, guys. Of course, it's LaSalle. Loyal tayo. UAP. Guys, gulat ako paglabas ko. Nag-champion pala yung LaSalle. Grabe. Ano height ni Heath? I think it's like 5'10", 5'11".